Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening a pretty cool workshop track builder set. It's the Spiral Stack Up Starter Set. I was really looking forward to getting this one to use on our track day, so finally I got my hands on one, so let's look at the box and get it open. So it's pretty cool there. You can see it's got a couple of parts for cars to come streaming down the side tracks. It's pretty tall, so we'll get a bit of speed up when the cars come down. It's pretty cool. There's a couple of different layouts you can use, but I think we're just going to use the tallest one. It's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to this so much because it's a great gravity launcher. You can see there in the center of that play track, and it doesn't take up too much space. So that's what it looks like there, and there's all those extra pieces. Look, we've already got that speed checker. We've got some of those kicker loops, but in the newer version. So I'd love to get some of those other pieces. They're pretty cool. Alright, so let's just check out the car that came in the box. It's Howlin' Heat. It's a 2010 model, but this one was from 2014, I think. Alright, so let's get straight into the box. I'm really looking forward to getting this one out. Shouldn't be too many pieces in there, I wouldn't expect. It looks like it's pretty basic. Should be an easy set to put together. So again, it's the terrible rear of the box, so once it's open for good. Alright, so just grab the instructions. First set of coloured instructions I've seen in a long time. Usually they're all black and white. It's a nice touch to have colour instructions, I think. It helps you identify the pieces a little bit easier. So yeah, just check that out there. Tells you how to put together the tallest stack. And those turned pieces that are sort of bent down as well. There's particular A and B pieces that you need to use correctly, or else it obviously won't go together. So that's just the other layouts there. We won't be checking out the other layouts in this video. I'm not actually interested in those layouts. Let me know if you are, if you've built them with your set. But for us, we're just going to look at the actual stack up starter part for one car. So yeah, let's get all these pieces out of the box. All the trusty connectors, never have too many. Alright, that looks like the part for the releasing of the car on the side of the track. Some of the stack up pieces there. There's 5 of those stack pieces, I think, or 4. There's 4 of those stack pieces. It's the second release for the car on the side of the track. More blue connectors that are specific to this set, so you wouldn't want to lose those. And the instructions, very important. Stickers that I probably will put a couple on. It's the base plates for those releasing on the side of the track, those car parts. Some supports. And here we've got those curved tracks that bend downwards, so you've got the A and the B section, so you need to connect those together correctly. We've got the base plate, keep it up nice and steady. Goes together quite easily. Now we've got these supports that aren't on the pictures of the box, but they are very important to keep it steady. That's the little cage flip thing that goes towards the end. We'll see that working in the video at the end. A little bit of curved, bendy track, straight pieces. If you're actually going to use the spiral setup, how they have it in the instruction, you'll need all of those pieces of track, which we will set up, and some more supports. Alright, so we'll get this put together and we'll test it out, so get ready. Alright, so we've got it tested, got it set up, and now we've got Howlin' Heat at the top there, and he's going to knock down our Ford Fiesta. See, and that's what those side pieces are. He goes around the loops, knocks out that car, it sends it down. So if you've got it in a bigger track, you can see here it goes first and second, so it knocks 2 cars down. And that little cage, flip cage that we saw, the little silver flip cage, watch what happens here. and the car down at the top, releases that one, in we go, and pops him out. So pretty cool actually. But what we're going to use this for here in the Hot Wheels garage mostly is releasing the cars into a one-way track on a track day. So instead of having to have long gravity release straight tracks, we'll be able to just quickly set it up on this spiral stacker and let it go, build up some speed and into the track that we build. So what do you guys think about this set? I thought it was pretty cool. I was waiting to get it for a long time, finally found it. Do you have this in your set already? I'm not probably going to use those side releases. They're not really part of what we want to use the set for here, but they're actually pretty cool if you want to put this piece in the middle of a set and activate a few cars on a few different tracks all at once. Alright everyone, comments down below, leave a big thumbs up, and most importantly, don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels garage. Thanks everyone.